Hi everyone, Tridib here from TGT and welcome to another video. So Apple had a special event today where they announced a new subscription plan for Apple Music based on Siri, AirPods 3 with MagSafe wireless charging case, and a redesigned MacBook Pro with all new Apple silicons, M1 Pro and M1Max. Also, just after the event, Apple released iOS 15.1 release candidate. So if you are running any beta version of iOS 15.1, then just go to settings, then general, and then to software update, and you should see your update available here. This update came in around 5.2 GB on this iPhone 12 mini. Apart from that, I have also updated this iPhone 10R and this iPad 6th generation as well. And the update size was 5 to 5.5 GB for all these devices. With this, Apple also released iPadOS 15.1 release candidate, watchOS 8.1 RC, Apple tvOS 15.1 RC, and HomePodOS 15.1 RC as well. Let's go to settings, then general, then about, and check the new build number for iOS. As you can see, the new build number is 19B74. If you are updating from iOS 15.1 beta 4, there is no new modem firmware for your iPhone, so Wi-Fi, data and cellular connectivity should remain same. Now, if you do not know what is a release candidate version, RC version is basically what the golden master copy used to be. So this is the final build for the developers and public beta testers before a public release. Apple usually releases the same build to the public later if they don't find any major issue with the RC version. Now, as I mentioned before that Apple had a special event today where they announced the new MacBook Pro with two new Apple silicon chips, M1 Pro and M1Max. According to Apple, these are the best system in chip design and are the most powerful chips ever in a MacBook Pro. The new MacBook Pro also has a 128Hz dynamic refresh rate display and a notch at the top, more ports, and no touch bar at the keyboard. Apple also announced the much anticipated AirPods 3 with spatial audio and MagSafe enabled charging case, keeping the AirPods 2 in the lineup as well. There is a new subscription plan for Apple Music with Siri integration as well. Apple also added some colorful HomePodMini into their lineup as well at the same price. With iOS 15.1, Apple is adding some great new features to your iPhone. The first is SharePlay. SharePlay is a new way to share synchronized experience in FaceTime with content from Apple Music, Apple TV, Fitness Plus, and other supported apps. Shared controls give everyone the ability to pause, play, rewind, or fast forward. Smart Volume automatically lowers the audio of a movie, TV show, or song when your friends speak. Apple TV supports the option to watch the shared video on your big screen while you continue the FaceTime call on iPhone. Also, screen sharing lets everyone on a FaceTime call look at photos and browse the web at the same time. In the Apple Camera app, ProRes video capture using iPhone 13 Pro and 13 Pro Max is now enabled. Also, Apple is enabling settings to turn off automatic camera switching when taking macro photos and videos on iPhone 13 Pro and 13 Pro Max. In the Apple Wallet app, COVID-19 vaccination card support allows you to add and present vaccination information from Apple Wallet, that is to create a health card for the supported countries. In the Translate app, there is Mandarin Chinese, that is Taiwan language support, and also system-wide translation is also available. Home app now brings support for matters, new automation triggers based on current reading of a HomeKit enabled humidity, air quality, or light level sensor. In the shortcuts, now there is a pre-built actions let you overlay text on images or GIFs. Plus a new collection of games lets you pass the time with Siri. Apart from the new features, this release also fixes some major issues as well. First is the Photos app may incorrectly report storage is full when importing photos and videos. Weather app may not show current temperature of my location and may display color of animated backgrounds incorrectly. Audio playing from an app may pause when locking the screen. Wallet may unexpectedly quit when using VoiceOver with multiple passes. Available Wi-Fi networks may not be detected. Also, there is a new battery algorithm update for iPhone 12 models to report exact battery capacity over time. Performance-wise, this is running quite good in this iPhone 12 mini. This is my main device and there are a lot of apps installed in it. The battery life should remain same as well. But let's see how the battery capacity data changes over time with the updated algorithm. I'll keep you informed in the comment section and in community posts as well, so do engage there. With iOS 15.1, iPhone 12 mini provides around 6 to 6.5 hours of screen on time. Now from the release of iOS 15.1 beta 4 to this RC, I should say there is no overheating issue in this iPhone 12 mini, at least till now. I have tested it in various conditions and have found the heating as usual. I have also updated my iPhone XR in this version as well. It is running as smooth as it was before. With iOS 15.1, I think iPhone XR is a device which I can still recommend you to buy if you are low on budget. The overall scrolling, the app opening and closing is up to the mark as it should be, and there is no overheating issues in this device as well. Also, I am running iPadOS 15.1 RC in this iPad 6th generation. All the updates and patches that I mentioned previously are applicable for this device also. Although this is an old iPad, it still runs very smooth. Some heavy apps reloads over time, but that is understandable. The battery life I get out of this device is absolutely fantastic, and this update should keep that going. Now if you are interested about the benchmark score, here it is for iPhone 12 mini. It is 1577 for the single core and 3952 for the multi-core, which are up to the mark for this device. So the final thing, should you update? Well, if you are on iOS 15.0.2 public release, then there is no point updating now. We are expecting a public release of iOS 15.1 and also of macOS Monterey 12 on 25th of October, because new MacBooks will be available from 26th October. So Apple will definitely ship the new MacBook Pros with the new macOS Monterey. That's it. Thanks a lot for watching till the end. Do hit the like button and please don't forget to subscribe to TGT. I'll see you in my next one. Peace.